How does blockchain work? Simply explained in 2 minutes. Imagine a digital ledger that's completely transparent, secure, and impossible to hack. That's blockchain technology, but how does it actually work? Let's break it down in just 2 minutes. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Transactions. When someone sends cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, the transaction is grouped with others into a block. Verification. This block is sent to a network of computers called nodes that verify the transactions using complex math. Once verified, the block is added to the chain. Immutable record. Once a block is added, it's nearly impossible to alter. This creates a permanent, transparent, and secure record of all transactions. But what makes blockchain so special? It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. It's also transparent. Anyone can view the ledger, and secure, thanks to advanced cryptography. Blockchain isn't just for crypto. It's used for things like supply chain tracking, voting systems, and even healthcare records. It's the backbone of the future internet, often called Web 3. And that's blockchain in 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto explainers, and let me know in the comments. What should I break down next? Thanks for watching.